NASA reschedules moon landings. Prioritizing reliability over speed, NASA has announced significant changes to its Artemis program, delaying human landings on the moon until 2028, while adding a crucial in-orbit docking test in 2027. This decision, revealed by NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman, reflects a shift toward a more methodical approach, aiming to reduce risks and rebuild internal expertise after recent setbacks with the Space Launch System, SLS, rocket. Why the delay? The program has faced repeated delays due to technical issues, including hydrogen and helium leaks in the SLS rocket, as well as concerns about the readiness of core technologies. Isaacman emphasized that rushing to the moon without addressing these issues would be unsustainable, comparing the current trajectory to jumping from an Apollo 8 mission directly to a lunar landing, a strategy he deemed high risk. The revised plan introduces an intermediate step. Artemis III will now focus on testing the Orion crew capsule's ability to dock with a lunar lander, either SpaceX or Blue Origin built, in orbit. This echoes the Apollo program's approach, where missions like Apollo 9 validated critical docking procedures before Apollo 11's historic landing. The new timeline Artemis III, mid-2027, crewed in-orbit docking test with a lunar lander. Artemis IV, early 2028, first crewed lunar landing. Artemis V, late 2028, second crewed lunar landing. NASA intends to maintain an annual launch cadence after Artemis IV, indicating a commitment to sustained lunar exploration. The agency is also dropping the Boeing-developed exploration upper stage, streamlining the program further. A strategic shift, the decision to prioritize reliability over speed, is driven by a desire to establish a sustainable lunar presence. The recent failures with the SLS, while frustrating, underscore the complexity of deep space missions. This adjustment is not just about technical readiness. It's also about rebuilding NASA's internal workforce and core capabilities. The agency recognizes that a rushed timeline would compromise long-term success. The move also serves as a response to growing competition in space exploration, particularly from China. By focusing on a measured pace, NASA aims to reassert American leadership in lunar exploration while minimizing the risk of catastrophic failure. If you want a history tidbit, look at the time when Apollo 7 splashed down to when Apollo 8 launched. You're approximately 2 months apart. We need to start going back to basics and moving in this direction, Isaacman stated, underscoring the need for a more deliberate approach. Ultimately, NASA's revised Artemis plan demonstrates a pragmatic adjustment to the realities of space exploration. By prioritizing testing, internal expertise, and a sustainable launch schedule, the agency is positioning itself for a more secure and enduring presence on the moon.